Explore how thousands of tons of mangoes are grown and harvested in Australia with us in this exciting adventure. In the video, behind-the-scenes discovery of the technological advancement used in farming and further improvement in terms of yield as well as the quality of the mangoes. The journey starts by preparing the soil and selecting the right variety. Then, seedlings are propagated and grafted in a nursery for about 3 to 6 months before being transplanted onto the farm. At every stage of growth, the trees need to be watered regularly, fertilized, and pruned to stay healthy. After 2 to 3 years, when the trees are fully matured, flowers bloom, and fruit begins to set. The period from flowering to harvest lasts anywhere from 4 to 6 months, bringing the mango season into full swing. The mangoes have now attained full ripeness and are now ready for harvest. According to the height of the trees, the farmers will use the most appropriate method to harvest. Do you want to visit a big mango farm and try harvesting your own ripe mangoes? Mangoes are first hand-picked by farmers when they are considered ripe. Cutting of the fruits is done by using knives, scissors, and ladders, and arranged in trays or baskets for carrying. The time of harvesting needs to be quite short so that the quality of mangoes is preserved. After that, the trees will be given care for the next season as well, with a promise of fruitful crops next year. After harvesting, thousands of pounds of mangoes are transported to processing factories. Each batch of mangoes varies from 22,000 to 44,000 pounds. In the factory, the mangoes are well washed to remove dirt and impurities before they are sorted by size and quality. The highest quality mangoes are packaged and shipped to domestic supermarkets. In addition, a huge percentage of the yield is also processed into juice or ready-to-eat products, exported to other countries and bringing the fresh, delicious taste of mangoes to the world. It is amazing, right? Have you ever seen an automatic mango peeling machine? With a powerful motor of up to 5 horsepower, it can handle thousands of mangoes per hour, speeding up production and improving efficiency. After processing, the mangoes are juiced or ground into powder, preserving their natural flavor and exceptional quality. The factory can produce up to 10,000 bottles of mango juice daily. The juice is then automatically bottled, labeled, and distributed widely, offering fresh, nutritious products to consumers. Do you want to savor the delightful flavor of mango anytime, anywhere? Mature golden ripe mangoes are processed with much care and canned, retaining the sweetness of summer. Prepare a delicious dish that can be served throughout the year with fresh delight. Although there are many high-quality mango products available, some production facilities are utilizing toxic chemicals or unsanitary preservation methods. An estimated 15 to 20% of mango products on the market might be unsafe for consumption. This not only poses a health risk to consumers but also damages the trust of the agricultural production industry. As this rises, it will progressively hamper the ability of reputable producers to maintain their brands and grow sustainably. The mango trees in the farms are carefully cared for by using machinery, which greatly reduces labor effort. In case of strong winds, the farmers ensure that the trees do not get blown away by tying steel wires to hold them upright. The entire care process takes about 2 to 3 years, from planting to maturity. After all these years, when the mango trees become mature, they reap the fruit of their sweet and naturally grown mangoes. A bountiful and rewarding harvest is seen due to their years of patience and dedication. The farmers have already planned for intensive farming all around the region for the optimal and efficient harvesting process.